Good morning, everyone. Welcome if this is your first time here. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel. If this is a return trip for you, welcome back. This is going to be an organization video. This is a pen and gear memo book. It's 3 inches by 5 inches. It is, so here's what I need to do this morning. I need to make just a running list of things that I need to get done today. Starting off, I also need to see, we changed things up at work and I want to make sure I have got everything that I'm going to need to get organized for that. So I'm flipping through my photos to see if I can find the one that I took of my chores. Nope, that's not it. Not chores. Duties at work. I seriously could have sworn. There it is. Okay, so here is what I've got. I'm going to actually make this a little bit bigger and I'm going to set it over here and hope it doesn't fall. Please don't fall. Okay, so this morning, still even before I get to work, there are a few things I need to do. I was going to write this in pencil, but I know pencil does not show up very well on my camera, so let's do the Uniball one. So I need to label my jars. I've got ketchup and barbecue sauce. Oh, and beef broth. No, it's beef stock, sorry. There were bones in that. So I need to label those. I need to return canner to the basement. I've got a pressure canner. And then all of these jars I need to put down there too. And jars. Wash the bin. I need to pack and make my lunch. Last week I went at 10:30, so I had plenty of time in the morning to kind of get everything done that I wanted to get done. Today I go in at my normal time, 8:30, so it is already 6:45, so I need to get my butt in gear. Need to get it moving and grooving. Oh, I also need to clear counter. And then today at work, I am on phones, counter, mail, citations, and citations. So if I can get all of this done, before I leave in an hour and 15 minutes, it will be a miracle. I don't foresee that working. However, it's fine. I get asked a lot what I use these little notebooks for, and this is exactly it. It is a brain dump in 4 minutes or less. The 4-minute or less brain dump. It's a way to get everything out of my head and onto a piece of paper so that I can actually see it and go, okay, this is not feasible. This is not going to work in an hour and 15 minutes. Truthfully, it will, because I will get this done. It'll be me zooming around the house, and my lunch is pretty much already made, so I just need to pack it. I'm doing shredded beef street tacos, so super easy. I'll heat it up at work, easy peasy. I can't think of anything else that I need to do this morning other than get myself ready for work, which takes about 20 minutes because I just washed my hair last night, so all of that is good to go. So yeah, let me know if you have one of these little notebooks. What do you use it for? I hope you have an amazing day, and I will talk to you down in the comments soon. All right, love you. Bye.